Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best web browser with tabs similar to computer web browser for iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, just open the App Store, and in the App Store just search for one application name as People the Powerful Web Browser. So search this application and you can see here People the Powerful Web Browser. Just tap on it. So I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. After that, just tap on open. Now you can see by default tabs which looks exactly similar like the computer web browser. So if you tap on the plus icon on the right top corner, so you can open the multiple tabs, and even you can drag the and change the position of your respective tabs just exactly as your computer web browser. And if you tap on this People the app icon, and at the bottom you will see tons of options. If you click on the settings, there is an option for sync. You can change the search engine also depending upon your needs, which search engine you want to use here. And you can see here, if you don't like the computer web browser like tabs, then you can just disable this option, desktop tabs, which is enabled by default. If you click on done, now you can see the tabs is like a mobile web browser. So if you want to enable, then just enable back like a desktop tabs. And when you can change the start page layout, so you can see here, you can change the start page layout thumbnails like medium, small, even you can show it as list. I'll just keep it as small right now. And just below to it, you can see here one very interesting feature is being added inside this web browser, app icon, right? So let me show you the default app icon as this, right? So now if I tap on this app icon, now you will see here tons of app icons you can choose. So say I want to choose this one, click on OK. Now if I move back, now you can see here the default app icon of this People the web browser changes to this respective app icon which I have selected. You can select different on your needs which app icon you want to set. And below you can see privacy and security. You can use different privacy options, security options. You can block the advertisement just by tapping on this add and tracker blocker. You can block the trackers also, content settings depending upon needs. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every option. And one good features about this is that if you tap on the sync, and one good thing here is that you can encrypt or add a password even for the syncing separately. So this feature is not almost available for every popular web browsers, but this People the web browser provides a different password or encryption method for syncing all data across your different devices also. So in my opinion, it's one of the best web browser with tabs similar to computer web browser for iPhone that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.